Hi everybody, and welcome once again to another edition of 10-Minute LearnBook, where I'll be creating a LearnBook lesson in 10 minutes. And as usual, and as probably every week, I'm going to be cheating because as an experienced teacher, I'm using a video that I know very, very well from a British TV show called Dragon's Den. And I used to use this video all the time in my lessons, and I had a worksheet for it. But I'm going to do it from memory. I'm going to show you how I would, if I'd already studied the video in advance, I would go ahead and create a very simple lesson in LearnBook in 10 minutes. So let's start the clock. Okay, so this is going to be lesson 5. And it's called Product Presentation. This is an online lesson, that's fine. Okay, so start creating sections. So I know that there needs to definitely be an introduction to this one because it's quite a high level lesson, and so it would be intermediate and above, I would say. So we're going to have introduction, and that's going to be 10 minutes is fine. And then we're going to have another part, which is going to be part 1, listening for numbers. No, we're going to do listening general listening. Part 2, so I know that there are a lot of numbers in this video, so there's a general need to listen. If you're practicing listening for gist, it's a great video for that because it's Australian accents, they speak really quickly, but they also use a lot of numbers, useful as well. And then okay, so if we did general listening here, listening for numbers, then we could do part 3, listening strategies, because that's something very important for the second half of the video where you get a lot of people speaking really, really quickly. And so that will be my part 4. Test yourself, because there's a bit where they really have to, you would have to be a very, very high level learner to in the end of this video to be able to catch exactly what they say. It's really a case of just trying to get the gist, and if you can get the gist, I consider that a success. And then part 5, practice. Okay, so that's going to be fine for now. So we'll change the timings as we go. So introduction, we're going to say this is, welcome to this lesson about product presentations. Tell me in an audio or video recording about a product you really like and why. Your iPhone, your computer. No, I'm a bit of a geek, I shouldn't be saying things like that. Your favorite shoes, your favorite food, etc. Talk about its features, price, advantages. Okay, maybe I'll do an example. That would be a nice introduction to this lesson. Watch my video below as an example. So I'm going to put in a video. What will I talk about? I'm obviously going to talk about my phone because I'm a geek. So here we go. So I'd like to tell you about my favorite product in the world, and that is my iPhone. Not just because it's an Apple product, as you might think, but the iPhone is, for the price, it's a very high level product. It's a high-end product, and obviously the price tag is high, but it's something that lasts for a very long time, which is something I appreciate when a piece of technology can last for several years without breaking down. And I really like that it has these integrated email agenda features where I can organize my crazy brain by keeping reminders and updating my calendar when any little thing happens so that I can always remember what I'm supposed to be doing. For me, that's really, really important, and I couldn't live without my iPhone, so it's a product I really love. Okay, and then we add that into our lesson whenever it comes back. A 1-minute video shouldn't take that long. Yep. Bing, and then we're done with the intro. Fine. Okay. General listening. So the video is Dragon's Den, Hungry House, a classic. I'm going to put this one into my message. So watch the video below. Try to understand, up from 0000 up to what was it? 250. So again, I'm cheating. I already know that video very well. Try to answer. Try to summarize their product pitch. Try to understand only the general ideas. Don't worry about the details you don't understand. Details that you don't understand. Okie dokie. And then we put in the video. I'll just put in something like that. Done. Okay, and now we're going to do listing for numbers, which is the second part of the video. Come on, machine. Okay, so now watch the second half of the video from 2 minutes 50 and answer the following questions. Try to focus only on the numbers they're talking about. Ignore the words you don't understand. Okay, so video again, same video, and we're going to do, okay, how much, no, it's not that. What are their financial projections for the first 3 years? I can't remember the other bits. Oh yeah, okay, so the first one was not that. The first one was, so move that down to 2. How many orders have they taken so far? How much revenue has that generated? What are their financial projections for the first 3 years? And I think that's it. No, and I remember that that was not the whole video. That was only up until up to 4 minutes. Okay, that's good. So 2 minutes to 4. Watch. 2 to 4 minutes. Answer the following questions. 3 years. And it was revenue, expenses, and profit. And it will drive them crazy because it's really, really hard. So like I said, only intermediate and above, it wouldn't really be fair to do it to anybody else. So I want to give them listening strategies for listening for gist and listening for detail, listening for gist, gift, nope, gist. Yep. Is that a good video? I've never seen it before.
However, using the following technique help our students.
Love it. Looks like a good teacher, reasonably coherent and not crazy. And so I'm going to put that in because that's probably going to be perfect. Now go to the following website to learn. No, in fact, can I just steal her video? Ooh, or is it worth them going to the website? Yeah, no, I'll just steal her video. That's fine. Ding. Good shit. Yep. Okay, so take your video away. Now watch the following video from giving advice on listening strategies. What is the difference between listening for gist and listening for detail? Okay, and the video goes in. I love taking other teachers' work. And here we go. And now test yourself. So test yourself, we're going to do with the, like I said, the other part of the Dragon's Den video. So I've got to take my link again. Test yourself. New message. Okay, now that you know the listening strategies, Watch the last part of the video from 4 minutes to the end and answer the questions. So we're opening the video one more time. Why not? It's always nice to have it right next to you. And then the question is, why does Peter Jones not think this is a good business idea? Why does Deborah, I don't know how to spell her last name, also not think this is a good business idea? Remember, try to only focus on the general meaning and not the individual words. So I'll really test our listening for gist. Nice. Okay, and finally practice. We're going to record a quick video of me presenting a product and trying to get them to, once again, take the gist of that. And then it would be nice maybe just to get them to record their own video. So now, try to summarize my product pitch below and record your own video presenting a product of your choosing. So now I'm going to add a video of myself. And what could I present? Yeah, so it's a pen. Hello there, and welcome to this product presentation. This pen right here that I've got in front of me may just look like an ordinary pen, but it is not. The ink inside this pen never runs out. You can write for a year, for 100 years. You'll never need to refill the ink in this pen. That's the first advantage. The second advantage is it fits right into your hand and it sticks to your fingers when it knows that you want to write. This is a very advanced, very technologically enabled pen that can tell what you're thinking and can stay in your hand, so you never have to drop a pen ever again. You can have this amazing pen for the low, low price of 1 million euros. Sign up now by putting your email address in below. Thank you. So complete nonsense. That's the way I like to do it. All right, there we go. And then we're done. Lesson deployed. Oh, 12 minutes. 2 minutes over the clock. Well, try harder next time, I suppose. Yeah, they can't all be winners. They can't all be winners. I accept my feelings as a teacher. So that was well, let's total up the timings, right? So we got, the first part was 10 minutes. I think we agree with that. The second part, product pitch, trying to understand the general bits and pieces. They're going to have to listen to that a couple of times. It's going to be quite tricky. I'm going to put that to 15, just because I think it's quite a tricky bit of the video. Definitely this bit is 15 because the numbers are very difficult to get, and it's going to require probably a lot of intervention from me coming in and helping them to understand the numbers, or to at least elicit the numbers from the video. This bit, that's just listening and understanding. That could be 10 minutes. This bit, 4 minutes to the end. That's about, well, it's about another 2 minutes. They're probably going to listen to it about 3 times. I would say, yeah, 10 minutes would probably be okay for that. And this bit, yeah, I mean, recording their own product pitch. Well, they might spend a bit of time actually preparing that. So I'm going to put that up to 15, just in case they're actually going to prepare a proper presentation to give me after listening to my own one, which is, it's only 46 seconds, so it's not long. So we've created a lesson of 75 minutes. Okay, so 1 hour 15, that's not bad. 1 hour 15-minute lesson in 10 minutes or 12 minutes. Okay, I think we did okay. Join me again next week for another 10-minute LearnBook. Thanks.